In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Apple Watch SE. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Apple Watch SE, you can issue contactless payments. The process is going to be the same across all Apple Watch models, so I'm going to showcase how you can register or assign a card to the Apple Watch, and then how to issue the payment contactlessly in store. So first, to set up the card, open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. Inside of this app, you will be able to scroll all the way down or until you see Wallet and Apple Pay under My Watch. This is where you will be able to assign cards to the Apple Watch itself. So choose the Wallet and Apple Pay option and make sure that it is enabled. If you have previously used Apple Pay, this option should be turned on. With this done, you can now register cards into the Apple Watch. So to add a card, choose the option here, Add Card, and you will go through the standard process. Usually if it is within your wallet, it will be transferred over, or you might have to manually input all of the details, like the card number, expiration date, and security code. Any cards that show up here will be usable to issue payments with the Apple Watch. So with this done, now you can move on to the Apple Watch itself. To open the payment options, double tap the side button. So press twice on the side button and you will see this message, Hold near reader. Now you can scroll up and down between all of the cards, and once the card is highlighted here in the middle, it means that it will be used for this purchase. So make sure that you have the proper card selected. And to actually issue the payment, as the text suggests, hold the Apple Watch on top of the card reader like this. And the card that you highlighted over using the scroll wheel going up and down will be used for this payment, and you can issue as many payments as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with Apple Watch SE. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.